Pre-inspected updated home with repairs completed. Beautiful kitchen West/granite countertops, all stainless steel KitchenAid appliances in Peninsula Island kitchen. New bathrooms updated West/new white marble look tile surround and flooring in full bath and in master shower bath, freshly painted interior and exterior, engineered bamboo flooring in large family room with basement, large enough for an in-law suite, new roof 2014, gorgeous screened and porch overlooking wooded private area, looks like you are in the mountains, large lot with flat level front and sloping back with hearty canopy of oaks. Hardwood floors on main level in living and bdrms. Some new lighting. Lower garage, storage, workshop accessible by garage door. Laundry area in basement. Fireplace not used, selling as is. Dual agency allowed.